konti nun eh. Anong kulang?
Hindi pa pala ako kumukat na ang bagal-bagal ng babae.
Kung malamang, hindi nagdadahilan naman si Chika na mabagal. Totoong mabagal.
I told them that I am bi. I was frustrated sa first girlfriend ko na kung saan I've been involved sa gay. Because yung first girlfriend ko, pinagpalitin ako sa tomboy.
Almost every designer has a crush on him because he is charming, he's kind, and he's lovable. I have a crush on
I
him.
already was in love with Mel. And I was like having a small crush on Mel because he was the only guy in the group and he looks cute, he's tall.
Hindi pwede.
Hello, designers. Okay, so let's start with the consultation now. Are you ready? Be careful with the composition of your detail here because it might look Santa Cruzan or Visigorias. Okay, which the judges do not like.
Tingin ko parang na color na to to match the bag.
Parang ayaw nilang magsama-sama.
Oo nga eh. The color combination was off. I don't know. So,
I hope matapos ko po kasi it's a lot of mutation. Gusto ko po parang medyo RTW, parang naging wearable avant-garde ng court.
Okay. Well, it seems that you have a lot of things to do. Sige. Okay. If you cannot make it too wet, then put things already. Just, just for you to finish your garment in time for tomorrow's show.
Gusto ko po kasi yung parang pag pumasok po yung model, yung parang wala siyang bakla. Pero pag nilatita na kasi, magpalala yung dress.
Okay. O, di sige. Continue with that. Sige. Paano ulit yun? Yung gano'n. Yung model.
Tapos pag wala na ba?
Sige. I just think it's lacking. Okay, so designers, I will leave you now. Okay. Designers, your models are here. Designers, attention. I remind you the shoes from Michael Antonio and accessories by Vidalin. Now,
Bata pa ako,
Sa totoo lang, ayoko na dito.